What's up guys, Kevin Cage here. In today's video, I'm going to give a step-by-step walkthrough into a new game-changing platform that is set to change the world of collectibles forever by leveraging Web3 tech, which we'll explain in this one, is already leveling the playing field to allow co-ownership, true co-ownership, of high-valued collectibles. I encourage you to stick around for all of this video and let's kick it off. So we're going to start at the homepage of liquidmarketplace.io. I linked this in the top of the YouTube video description along with their Discord and FAQ. So I'll show you how to get started. I'm going to fund my account live today and actually purchase something, so we'll walk through that. And of course, if you're new, you're going to click sign up right here, and you have the Discord right on the left. It'll take you to this page where you can set your own username, so make sure it's a good one, email and password. And now we've entered the Liquid Marketplace dashboard. Now, first order of business, I'm going to make sure we are in dark mode. So you can click right here in the bottom left. So right now we're just on the dashboard tab, and now on the right hand side we can see my wallet summary, and if I wanted to add funds I could click that as well. And we have about $400 on this platform that is shown in this cool little wavy pie chart graphic. Now I can see my current portfolio allocation. So I have about $68 just sitting in cash, US dollar, and then I have about $400 in this PITA token, which is actually this Pikachu Illustrator card that is tokenized. And this card is currently co-owned by a bunch of users, and you can see this is under my collectibles tab right now. It's also important to note that every single asset on this platform has its own unique token. Remember, they are just fractionalized. So, for the example of this Pikachu Illustrator, we can see on the right-hand side, PITA is the ticker or abbreviation. Liquid Marketplace is just a platform for these high-valued collectibles to allow co-ownership. They do not have their own cryptocurrency. They're not shilling any coin. That would be very much like a security. They're merely the platform that is allowing liquidity to get into the collectibles market now to allow the tokenization of everything. And the best part is when you own these tokens, like when I own this Pikachu Illustrator right now and I'm going to buy something else, even per their FAQ, which is linked in the video description, your fractionalized ownership or portion of a collectible is represented by an ERC20 token, a digital asset right on the Ethereum blockchain. And the cool thing is the tokenized version of your collectible is transferable on the Ethereum network. That means that I can now send the tokens that I own to a MetaMask wallet or any other type of ERC20 compatible wallet. So you can verify all of this ownership, true verifiable ownership on the blockchain. There's not a single other company that's checking all these boxes off like Liquid Marketplace is. Now, me personally, I'm going to be storing my assets on Liquid Marketplace because I'll actually show you the order books when we open it up. Because what if I have some limit sell order set and I'm able to take profit? So in that case, I'd keep it on the platform. But if you own some high valued collectible and you don't want it on the platform, I get that. And you have the option to actually own it on a wallet that only you own. So today, these portions or these tokens actually live on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20. Now, I imagine a future where there's going to be a lot more bridges, so do not be surprised if we see interoperability with other blockchain networks in the future. Why do I say that? Well, because they are working with Fireblocks, the #1 crypto and digital asset platform for institutions. Over 1,000 of the largest institutional players leverage Fireblocks, trading and brokerage, exchanges and lending, and of course, banking and payments. And I know you guys know some other billion-dollar companies that also work with Fireblocks, such as iTrustCapital. So under this offerings tab, we can still see this Pikachu Illustrator has over 9 million tokens available, each initially starting at 10 cents. Now, once this offering is complete, and it's a first come, first served basis, so all the users that are already looking at the offerings, you can buy it right away. So of course, I own a little bit of it, and I'm going to buy another asset today that's actually in the marketplace. So once this offering is completed, then it moves over to the marketplace and the pro marketplace, where you can see the chart of the asset, buy, sell, and trade. So as we scroll down, we can see under the marketplace and see which assets already had successful offerings and now are being traded 24/7. We have this CryptoPunk, a digital NFT at 22 cents per token. So it's already doubled in value. And we also have right here the Greek Freak. Check this out. So we can see the original market value was 594,000. The starting, of course, token price was 10 cents. So if all of the owners that purchased it at 10 cents or 12 cents simply refuse to depart and they want to hold their collectible for the long term, the buyers are going to have to offer higher prices each time, and this slowly pushes the price of this individual asset up. So notice, started at 10 cents, now it is 50 cents per token. This asset is up 5x. So of course, if I wanted to buy it, I could go right here. I could also sell it if I owned any, but let's go to the Pro Marketplace. I want to show you this. So now I went to the Pro Marketplace tab, but I don't see any assets. And why is that? It says asset is not in the Pro Marketplace because under my current collectibles, I only own that Pikachu Illustrator that's currently still in the offering phase. So which assets have completed the offering and are now available on the marketplace? Let's check. So now clicking this marketplace tab, we can find out which assets already completed a successful offering. As we scroll down, we can see the CryptoPunk and the Greek Freak. So now I'm actually going to buy one of these so that we can pull it up in the pro marketplace. But first, let's get our KYC done. What you're going to do is come down to settings, and as you click settings, you're going to come up here and click this middle tab that says verification level. So if you simply want to deposit funds and begin your journey, you don't have to do much. All you have to do is register as an exchange user and just verify your email. Pretty standard. But if you want unlimited deposits and unlimited withdrawals, you should finish KYC super easy. I just provided my name, my address, etc. So now I'm a level 1. I don't have any limits or restrictions on the account. So now let's fund our account so we're ready to buy that CryptoPunk. So now we have come and clicked the wallets tab. We can see our current holdings, our portfolio allocation. I can see the last time I actually purchased and was testing with $500 on the platform. And we can also withdraw any US dollars right back to our bank if we so choose. So now let's click deposit, and I'm going to fund my account with a debit card. So let's do $500. I'm going to agree. There's a small processing fee and confirm. And as we can see, there's a $25 card payment for these debit cards. You can also wire if you so choose, but I'm just going to click pay now. Then it gives you the option to input your card info. So let me do that really quick. Once I input my card, I'm going to click pay now. Successful deposit. So now within a matter of seconds, I have just funded my account. So now I can see I have about $568 in USD. Now let's buy some of that CryptoPunk. Let's go to Marketplace. I'm going to scroll down and let's buy this CryptoPunk. So let's click. You could also just click buy. And I'm going to scroll down, read more about it. We can see it's an NFT. The market value is at $594,000 at a price of 22 cents per token of this PPT. Of course, they have a description. You can read all about it to better understand it. And now I'm going to buy. Now we can see there's different quantities of Punk tokens, whether it's 250 Punk tokens or 4,000 Punk tokens. Let's say 500 Punk, and let's see how much that would be. So the estimated order cost is about $87 USD. There's a $2.80 curation fee. And we also get some experience rewards for buying this token because you can level up on Liquid Marketplace and reach different levels, whether that's bronze or silver. Let's say I want to buy 3,000 tokens with my $568. We can see the estimated order total. We're going to get 252 XP right here. And let's place the buy order. So I'm going to get 3,000 Punk tokens. Ready? Confirm. And congratulations. So my transaction has been completed, and now we can go to my collectibles, and I also earned 196 experience points from this little bot called Quid. Now let's go to my collectibles, and we can now see my portfolio value. So the Pikachu Illustrator still in the offering phase. As we can see, the CryptoPunk already sold out, has already 2x'd in price, and we saw that Greek Freak up 5x. Now if I go to the top right and I see my username, Kevin Cage, I can see I'm the bronze tier and how much experience I need left to get into level 3. I can actually click that and we can see all the different levels from novice, bronze, we can see the silver badge, gold, obsidian, and it keeps going, so very cool. Now in my collectibles tab, I can see that I finally own a portion of this CryptoPunk NFT, so I'm a co-owner. And now let's click the Pro Marketplace and check out its chart. Now I can see the entire order book. I can see the crypto chart on the 15-minute time frame. We can go down to the 4-hour, etc. So absolutely beautiful to see this. We can see some crazy illiquidity wicks that actually took us all the way to $1 per token. Wow. Over here we have, notice all. So we have the buys down here for 13 cents, 14 cents, a variety of bids. And now we can see some limit sell orders that you can also set from 22 cents to $2. Absolutely insane. So for example's sake, let's set a limit sell order with my Punk tokens. And we can see the 24-hour volume over 180,000 Punks is circulating every single day. Its 24-hour high was 23.5 cents. Just like any crypto exchange, when we see the order books, we can see buy and sell. So for this example, I'm going to click sell. And now you can either do it at market price if you so choose, but I'm going to set a limit sell order. Just for fun, let's actually set a limit sell at $1. So remember, sell, limit order, I'm selling 3,000 Punk tokens at $1. So if and only if the price reaches $1 and there is a buyer willing to buy it at $1, my order will be fulfilled. And remember that I just bought about $500 worth of these CryptoPunk tokens. Now I'm actually going to set a limit and try to sell it at $1 even because I got in just over 22 cents. I could customize this limit order. I'm going to say good until canceled because I can actually cancel the order if I so choose. And now I'm going to click place sell order. So now I want to confirm this limit sell order. I can also see that I get over 1,000 experience points. And let's click confirm. Order is successfully placed. Beautiful. So now hit exit and let's scroll down. And now we can see, like on any crypto exchange, I have successfully set a limit sell order to sell 3,000 Punk tokens if the price hits $1. So we can see the current price on the chart. If I ever change my mind and I want to cancel that order or reset it, I can do so right here. We can see that Liquid Marketplace was in fact mentioned by Yahoo Finance, saying that Liquid Marketplace raises $10 million, unveiling a new era in collectible ownership and trading. And I wanted to share this infographic before we call it a day, really explaining the evolution of the internet, Web 1, Web 2, and what we know today as Web 3. So let's zoom in on this picture, and apologies if it's a little blurry. We have the internet between networks, a network of networks. That's what an internet is. We have Web 1, which is really just read-only static pages. They were not dynamic. They didn't change much. You could just create and publish something. Now we have Web 2.0. It was reading, but now you had the writing ability as well, where you could interact with the web page. And now we have Web 3.0, which is one of the largest emerging trends that we've ever seen. It includes reading and writing, but now it is trusted and you can verify this all on blockchain or some type of DLT, distributed ledger technology. So for the first time in history, thanks to DLT, blockchain, even crypto assets in some cases, we can verify who owns what. Now, I know a lot of people think that NFTs are nothing but JPEGs, but it's going to be so much bigger than that. This is the authentication of everything, real world devices, maybe the deed to your house, the title to your car. And now, fractionalized ownership is getting bigger and bigger news. eBay and the marketplaces are getting involved. Of course, Liquid Marketplace is a first mover, and fractionalized ownership is not going away. It is only getting bigger. And one last example would be this. This is Google, guys, the company Alphabet. They announced back in February that they are actually announcing a 20-for-1 stock split. What does that mean? Well, at the recent price of $2,700, they're actually going to be dividing that by 20 so that more people can afford it. Because guess what? If I don't have $2,700, I can't actually get involved and own a full Google stock. What if I have $100 or $50 to my name, but I still wanted to hold a piece of my favorite company? So again, taking this $2,700 stock value, stock split, dividing it by 20, now they are having a price of $138 per share. So take note, when one of the biggest companies in the world is doing stock splits, but also seeing the trend of fractionalized ownership, it's just a matter of time before fractionalized ownership goes mainstream, and I'm watching it go mainstream right now. And it makes absolute sense for physical collectibles, digital collectibles, you name it, and that is why Liquid Marketplace is going to be a household name in the future, providing liquidity and a marketplace to trade these hard to find and rare items. For anybody curious, I do have the FAQ for Liquid Marketplace linked in the top of this video description. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you learned anything at all, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.